Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing rules apparently coming online with respect to the possibility that foreign nationals could own freehold title to land here in Thailand. And I've done other videos contemporaneously with this one where we've discussed this. We've actually been discussing this for some months since it was proposed. But yes, it does appear possible, albeit I think in the end, by the time we actually see this regulatory structure fully sort of hammered out, that it's going to be heavily caveated. I don't think this is going to be a broad piece of legislation, piece of regulation that is going to apply broadly to a large number of expats in Thailand. Now, that's speculation. It remains to be seen. But based on prior experience, that's how I see this thing coming together. So a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com, article is titled, Thailand's New Rules for Retiree Visas Sound Alarm Bells. And we've also noted, this has been just across basically all news services. Everybody's been talking about this. Quoting directly, the government says it is now committed to, that's key. I saw in a Bangkok Post article when they were talking about all this that it was being promulgated in principle. That was one element. So, quoting directly, the government says it is now committed to allowing some quote unquote rich foreigners to own freehold land. This is likely to mean a newly built house on specially agreed estates with the proviso that the dwelling is bought directly from the developer. The perk was publicized as a possibility last June when it was suggested that some elite visa holders might qualify provided they kept on investing over a 5-year period. But the most recent cabinet statement doesn't mention elite. Now, a couple of things here. A year ago, there was no cabinet statement. This most recent cabinet statement, that is of a higher magnitude than just discussion from TAT or even discussion among possible policymakers, even within immigration. Cabinet statements are major things. But again, as we've noted, we've yet to see a regulatory structure come out of this. This remains sort of a statement in principle. So exactly what this looks like remains to be seen. I think there's some insight in this Pattaya Mail article, especially talking about developers, buying directly from a developer. I suspect this will be a very narrow exception to a very broadly applied rule. So, it's not going to be something that you can just go and sort of enjoy particularly quickly, I expect, nor do I think it's going to be something that the vast majority of expats in Thailand are going to be able to avail themselves of.